All of this stuff is the club stuff.
This is
So, no, this is my SN2 Fremo that I take to shows.
okay.
And this is based on a town in Maine called Bigelow.
Okay.
Everything I'm going to be building is pretty much specific towns of the Sandy River and Rancho Lakes.
Okay.
You work very well. The quality is.
Well, I can't take all the credit. I buy things when I see them. And when people decide that they can't handle SN2 because it's something that nobody should ever model and torture themselves in, I buy the stuff that they tortured themselves through.
Oh, there you go.
Good.
So you can see that the mushroom will come across here. This will be the top deck and face this way. And then there'll be two decks in here. So where that building's sitting over there is going to be one deck, and then Bigelow and stuff will sit down here.
What's your size of space here?
It's roughly 30, it's 24 max, so it's like 30, 22 up here, or 21, so, and that's 31 or 32.
20 to 30 roughly.
Yep. And there will, where this is, there'll be a whole line coming through here, which will also be mushroom.
So what do you call mushroom?
Mushroom, because what happens is the layout comes up and it goes this way. So you see one part of the layout from, well, you see the lower part from the outside, and then you have to walk around the aisle and you can see the other part here.
Okay.
So there'll be a railroad here that you see this way, and then you won't be able to see the lower railroad because there's walls here.
Okay.
And there's a hole down there because the railroad pierces that hole. And on this lower level, this becomes a peninsula. So then this will be an aisle. You can see the blue tape. This will be an aisle, and all you'll see is this upper part in here, and you'll be able to stand on a low platform. You may see the K-27 down
I see
in
it.
Blackstone.
Yep.
I'm assuming this is Phillips.
Kingfield.
Oh, that's Kingfield. Okay.
That's roughly about where it'll be on the lower
Okay.
deck, or on the lower deck there. Phillips is here.
Okay.
And Phillips, the depot, will sit down in here somewhere.
Where's the roundhouse?
Roundhouse will be right out here.
Okay,
Right here's
cool.
the turntable roughly, so
Oh,
roundhouse will
okay.
sit right in
Okay.
here.
It's nice.
This is a pinch point. Might have to get rid of the winter store in Kingfield.
Yeah.
Or cut it.
Yeah, just truncate it or make it one of those so you can see in the back of it.
Both of those are outstanding.
I almost got the 40 as my first live stage.
Oh, yeah.
And so I was looking at that one, but you have, because it's a 7/8 scale that Acrocraft puts out,
Right.
it's really
It's
hard to
big.
buy rolling stock for it. You have to make it
Most of the
yourself.
people custom make it, yes.
Custom make it, so
Yeah.
I stuck with the
Right.
120.3.
So the reason these bookcases are lined here is this will all come out around the corner and go back down here like this. So this is 30 foot of Farmington down here, or 20 foot, and that's where it interchanged with the standard gauge.